Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Mavenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 4, Diodu 0. I'm joined by Izinjaza State.
Hola, Sibo.
Onjebe. Yes.
The time is 7:57.
Yeah.
Sise FNP.
Sure.
The Pirates bedlale Orlando.
Yeah.
Amafans wethu.
Yeah.
Asaqala ngawo njalo.
Hayi, thank you.
Sithibu sisile wena.
Yeah. Ayina something. No, waza nyana.
Uzulu into aqeda ukuyisho.
Yeah.
Before akhuluma umZulu 10. Uqale ngokuthi isikhathi sithini?
7:57.
Yeah, 8.
I-aggregate ithini?
7.
Danko.
Oh! What's this plan? Hey, ushayile ngana. Yo. Ngathi we picked the wrong game.
Sibo.
Yo, serious. Yeah.
Sibo ngiyashaya.
Goals.
Ngiyashaya Sibo.
Yeah.
Mawukuthi angishaya nge-3 ngizokushaya nge-4.
Yeah.
Mawukuthi if ayikho enough zovele ngenze aggregate kube yi-7.
Yeah, uyakhuphula.
Uyayibamba into
Yeah,
engisho.
uyakhuphula.
But yeah, namhlanje sizange ukuzopheka. Sisingo chef namhlanje.
Sure.
Namhlanje sizolungisa, sizobheka into eyenzakele ne.
Okay.
Siyasigodini manje.
Yeah.
Yabona iPirates ya vandag ne.
Sure.
iPirates ya first half.
Yeah.
Ngihlezi ngithi first half iyabora.
Yeah.
But vandag ngizosho something different.
Yeah.
First half be interesting.
Be all.
Kahle the whole game was interesting.
Yeah.
Yabona ipaka ya vandag.
Sure.
Beyidlala icarpet football.
Pants.
Yabona ngihlala ngikhala ukuthi okay siwinile but it's not convincing.
Yeah.
Yabona vandag.
Yeah.
Bangikhumbuze iPirates ka Rivero. Ibhola belidla utshani.
Lapha.
You understand?
Yeah.
Vandag ibhola belidla utshani.
Sure.
Ibhola belishaya diagonal. So besi versatile vandag.
Combination.
You understand?
Yeah.
Besishaya konke sekuhlanganisile.
Ngithola ibalance.
Uyayibamba into engishoyo.
Yeah.
That's why we were able to score 4 goals.
More than.
And we were able to score in the first half vandag. Because remember we are a second half team.
Yes.
But vandag we were able to score in the first half. Although besidlala ne team ecishe compare nama team ku APC.
I'm a minor.
You understand? I'm going to be honest.
Yeah.
But that gave us a momentum yokuthi siphushele phambili.
Sure.
You know when you score more goals uthola the momentum. You understand?
Yeah.
Uthola moral ukuthi
Yeah.
upushe phambili.
Sure.
Vandag the team sishaying a B team.
B team Pirates.
That was a B team.
Okay. Starting lineup is
Most of our players ebewadlala ama player ukuthi ahlala sebenchini beza sebangena second half.
Aboba.
Umuremi,
Uqala game vandag.
yes.
Okay.
Undaba uWest akabi nasebenchini.
Yeah.
You understand? Police
Sure.
in and out starting a lineup.
Yeah.
You understand?
Vandag uqalile.
Yes. The past 2 games uSkomota beka sebenchini.
Sure.
But vandag beyangenile.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
uDancing.
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu uvumile.
Wavele was players.
uNkulunkulu uvumile. Yabona makwini Pirates
Yeah.
kwenzeka into ekanje.
Yeah. Lemvuli velisi. With no signs. Yeah.
So njaya mimi. Vandag elineup yethu
Sure.
emuva according to iPepa
Yeah.
we had 4 defenders. But masesiyilanda efielding
Yes.
we had 3 defenders.
Okay.
We had Undaba
Yeah.
ku left back.
Yeah.
We had uSiyema
Yeah.
ku right back.
Sure.
Then center back
Yeah.
we had umuntu oyi-1 Bodlela.
Bodlela sibili.
Cause according to iPepa
Yeah.
lithi uSibilibili
Yeah.
mele abe ku right back.
Yeah.
But thina siyibukelile game bekadlala phambili. You understand?
Sure.
Which leaves us with abantu abayi-3 emove.
Yeah,
Bebamba into engisho yes.
Yeah.
So the way the team beyi-weaking ngakhona,
Yeah.
we were able ukuthi sidlale ngama-defenders ayi-3.
Yeah.
Singene center.
Sure.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Dancing.
Yeah.
I remember last bengikhala ukuthi dancing is lazy.
Yes.
Kancane he picked up
Yeah.
amasukiso ukuthi sekayakwazi ukuthi amakhe.
Yeah.
You understand? But then coach, I remember last thing coach wethu predictable.
Sure. I remember that.
Right.
I remember that.
Ekubeni predictable kwakhe.
Yeah.
He still did the same thing even na vandag.
Yeah.
Half time. Wakeeper midfielder which was
10.
uSihlenduli.
Okay.
Unduli, yes. uRich umbiza umqinisi.
Yeah.
So ukhiphe Unduli.
Sure.
Wafaka wafika uNemtajela.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So ibuyela back to leya point yami yokuthini ucoach wethu upredictable when it comes to a center.
Sure.
We know ukuthi okay half time uzokhipha
Uzokhipha
umuntu.
something, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But ke siphume lapho.
Sure.
Yabona i-center yethu be perfect. uDancing bekayibambile. Master Chef.
Master Chef.
They out there.
Ngizwa nomenya rakhala kimi yesayidi.
Yabona uMaster Chef nje yami.
Yeah.
Mina anyway I'm a chef by profession.
Yeah.
Ne. Uyimi le mjita mangise kitchen.
Yeah. Mnandi kanje?
Uyimi mangise kitchen.
Umnandi kanje?
But yena uyenza ngeversion yebhola.
Ngedisk yeah.
Lamjita.
Yeah.
Ayongiphekele namhlanje.
Ungamcompare to what dish?
Steve. Ungangifaki lapho
Lapha on the
Steve.
spot.
Ungangifaki lapho Steve.
What meat?
But into engishoyo.
White steak.
Okay.
White steak.
Uyithandile wakini.
Yeah.
But umjita ne uphekile sense. Like I was so impressed the way adlala ngakhona and I'm happy ukuthi coach Vandag umnike a full game. You know Paris the way say predictable ngakhona.
Yeah.
Mawudlala center you already know ukuthi ngeke uyiqede the game. But I'm happy ukuthi untwana namhlanje udlala a full game and he was able to showcase his talent. You understand? And then size phambili nje yami. Uyabona uSkomota. uSkomota
Evidence.
Fethu. I beg to differ nama South Africans.
Sure.
Or nama fans of Orlando Pirates. uSkomota sazoba nzima ukuthi ascore ama goals because uSkomota le role ayidlalayo as a striker is different to umuntu oyi-striker e.g. i-striker esifana no-Erasmus, i-striker esifana noMabasa, i-striker esifana noPenny. Untwana ukakhulu e-center, he's more of a collector than a scorer. So kusazoba nzima for untwana ukuthi enzeni ashamanethi because untwana uzomthola e-center. Uyayibamba lento engisho. Untwana uhlala se-center a collector, which is not a bad thing. Because obviously we have uRiavara, Umuremi, which he scored 2 goals vandag. Beautiful field kick. Awuyibambile. No, uwabheke njaya. And then when it comes to the overall team, Pirates played a very beautiful football. The Pirates did a carpet football. I'm a fan of a carpet football. Mina believe with the Ipola Malidluchan. You understand? Another thing, before Sivala, Murimi, no, not Murimi, Sipochain. I'm so impressed. Ngengqondo yakhe angazi le kama ngalibeka kanjani but okwamanje singisi sithi ukudla phansi kancane but untwana ube ne sportsmanship. You understand? He was able ukuthi acele ucoach ukuthi afake uNkazimulu ubani uMelusi Buthelezi. So vandag baye bamsaba out Sipochain kwangena bani kwangena uNkazimulu just ukuthi naye yazi untwana yabona untwana hlezi sikhuluma noNtshebe ukuthi untwana he's always supportive. Untwana I think isizini esingakile yes 2 or yes 3 if I'm not mistaken. But he's been on the bench. He's been on the bench. But mawumbheka from far I don't see a complaining goalkeeper.
Yeah, yeah.
I see a very supportive goalkeeper.
Not whining.
I appreciate Uchain for what he did today. You understand? Before ngivala nje.
Yeah.
Tito.
Patrick. Naye beka on. Yena nombuli.
Tito.
Yeah.
Yabona mfethu, mafuna ukubona iPirates edlala.
Yeah.
Faka uTito. More especially Masuwina.
Yeah.
Mfethu, yabona igoal less 3 if I'm not mistaken. Let's 3 or less 4.
Yeah.
Mfethu ukhiphe enye into. I think ushaye secondary assist.
Yeah.
Ngicela uhambe uyobukela ama highlights.
At the top.
Njayami.
Yeah.
Khiphe enye into equality njayami.
Pass.
From a center.
No look.
Awulibukile. Mara ngenye indlela eshisayo njayami.
Atithatha.
Njayami.
Yeah.
And I'm happy for ukuthi uTito is getting a game time.
Yes.
Since uBruce azwa-announcer isquad sakhe.
Sure.
So untwana makakhona
Yeah.
inhliziyo imhlophe.
Ngiyathola.
You understand?
Ngiyathola.
Before ngibuza, man of the match.
Yeah.
We had i-debate kancane mina noNtshebe.
Yeah, wena uthini?
Mina ngithi uMaster Chef
Yena athi.
ungiphekele namhlanje
Yena athini?
uzozikhulumela.
Wena ukhala ngobani nje?
No, right, Master Chef. Mara nami eside nami.
Yeah.
Anyway, ngayinika iPirates yonke the way idlale ngakhona.
But when debate ngobani?
Nginika umremi.
Oh, when we come rain.
Mina ngigaya umremi
2 goals.
for 2 goals. Number 2 mafethu ushaye 2 goals mara espacing isincane.
Sure.
Yeah, mara umremi almost udlala i90.
Yeah.
Yeah, umremi for mina ngigaya umremi.
Yeah.
Untwana ugaya Master Chef.
Yeah. Asibakabo itu.
Sibakaya boyithu.
Asibakabo itu.
Okugcina. I'm so happy for ukuthi uMbuthu uthole game time.
Yeah.
He scored 2 goals in 2 minutes.
Yo.
Ngiyayivala nje.
2 goals in 2 minutes.
Ngiyayivala.
Whoa, kanjani? 2 goals in 2 minutes how? Kanjani?